So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Lenovo Legend Pro 7i driver. So open any browser to type like that on the Google search box. So first click to go to new tab. So you can see this is two type to install, first automatic and second manual. So if you have to install separated driver by one, so select this manual features. Okay, and after that you select the camera. Then you can see this is all the camera driver. This is the latest 6.5 2024. This is also okay. So it is different about you just click to download. You can see this is downloading start. Okay, wait few seconds, it will complete. Just single click to open. I show you how to install, what is the install process. And just single click to open, then click to yes, then okay, then accept, next. You can extract any folder. After that you just install it, otherwise you can install directly. So this is one time required. Okay, so you just extract, do not extract, you install direct. Okay, I just click to next and then install. Now you can see this is extracting data to driver's system. After that click to OK when it is completed. Camera driver install successfully, then OK, and then finish it.